Welcome back to my office, and we're going to try Tesla's Auto Park. I've recently, about a week ago, had a new update that has got Tesla Vision in it, so let's give it a comparison. So I'm going to try three things. I'm going to park the car myself back into this spot. I'm going to get the Auto Park to do it using the ultrasonics, and then I'm going to get the Auto Park to do it using the new Tesla Vision that has come out in a recent update, and we're going to see how well they do compared to me. So this is going to be me, and as you can see, the car beside me is parked on a bit of an angle. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to try and put the car into the same spot each time to park. So we'll go about here. Right, so me park. Done. Right, so just to show you, it is currently on standard park assist, not Tesla Vision. So I'll try and get back to roughly the same spot. There. Right. So this is just using standard auto park. So like me, it's gone out slightly wider. Is it going to? No, it's going to go forwards a bit. It's very slow and hesitant. Okay, and it doesn't go quite as far back. Right, so now Tesla Vision. And the first thing you'll notice that Tesla Vision has that using just auto park with ultrasonics doesn't have it. It's got the lines of the parking spots. But this picture here is really quite messy. But let's give it a go. I'll try and get into the same spot that I was in before, which is about there. So as you can see, it's got all the lines of the parking spots. Right. So this is just using Tesla Vision. Well, that was very, very interesting. Let us just do one more on standard, and then we'll discuss how it went. Right. Go. So it may have been that I didn't quite get them in the same spot. You'll also notice that it puts the steering wheel almost back to central again, so the wheels are lined up. So all up, it's a bit slow and hesitant, but now we'll sit and we'll discuss it a little bit. Well, you've got me parking ultrasonics and Tesla Vision, and then I repeated the ultrasonics one. The actual auto park itself is very slow and hesitant, and if you don't get it quite in the right spot, it will do a few maneuvers forwards and backwards to try and get it in the spot. So if we start thinking about Tesla Vision is trying to estimate distances and so on. It's only got one camera looking back. It's going to be very hard for it to estimate distances. Now, you and I, most of us have got two eyes, and that binocular vision will calculate a distance. And you know what? It's pretty blooming accurate. Tesla, on the other hand, has got one camera looking backwards, and it's got a couple out to the side, but they're not together and they can't measure the distance. Now, you can do it with one, but you've got to have like a laser. You can get a lot of laser pointers that you press a button and it will shoot a laser out and measure the distance using that. Tesla's doesn't have lasers. His satellites up there have got lasers, but not the Tesla. So I'm a little bit dubious as to how it's going to manage to measure distances. And I've seen videos of people putting big cardboard boxes in front and using Tesla Vision, and it doesn't see them. So, yeah, I'm a little bit dubious. The other thing I don't like about Tesla Vision is that messy crap on the screen. It's just ridiculous. So, yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I don't use auto park. I find I can park a car and I always reverse park, unlike my wife who never reverse parks. So I always find I can just reverse park, and you know, even if I've got a trailer, I can reverse park a trailer. That's fine. It's just a matter of experience. I don't like auto park. And I like the Tesla Vision at the moment even less. I think it's messy. You can see when you're not using Tesla Vision that it gives a good representation of the cars around you and different sizes. Tesla Vision, it's all blurry and horrible. So don't expect me to be using auto park and Tesla Vision in the near future. It's got to improve one hell of a lot. So what do you think? Make some comments below if you want. And while you're there, there's a couple of buttons, like and subscribe, and even the bell. Just give them a click for me, would you? Because it really does help the channel and motivates me to make more videos. So if you like it, click the like, click the subscribe. It costs you nothing. So thank you very much for doing that, and I'll see you all very soon.